I'm ready when you are. Well, we just closed out the Arkansas duck season for 24-25. It was a rough one. We didn't have many good hunts at all. We had a lot of days we killed 4 or 5. That's about it. 1 or 2 days we killed them. It was a rough season. Ducks just never got here. But on the bright side of things, this morning starts off the kick of snow goose season, conservation season for 2025. I'm excited to get my plug out of my gun and put my 8-shot extinction tube back on. So we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna burn some shells, that's for sure. But it's 2 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm on my way to pick up Dawson, which is a youth that I've taken in previous years, but he actually turned 16 this year, so he's going to be out. And that sucks because next weekend we've got a big youth hunt going. We got a good group of guys going. We're going to cook breakfast for them in the blind. We're going to really treat them good. So hopefully there'll be some few ducks. And there's a few ducks showing up now, finally. Imagine that, right after season gets here. And they ought to have a good shoot next weekend. We're definitely going to try to video that and see if we can get them on a few birds. But this morning, it's about killing some white birds. So hopefully we'll have a bunch of snow geese work us. We got a big spread we're putting out. Chad, my good buddy at Heartfowl, he's starting a guide service on his own now, and I've hunted with Chad for the last 5-6 years, and we've hunted together a little bit, and we've guided a little bit together. But he's putting out the big mega spread. He's got the enclosed this morning. We're going to be big, and e-collar's coming out, save my lungs a little bit, and it ought to be a good morning. So we'll see what happens. There's a little bit of fog right now, and that fog normally makes some geese fly a little lower. And when they fly a little lower, we can mess them up. So should be a good morning. I'm excited. I know Dawson, the guy I'm picking up, I know he's excited. It's going to be his first conservation hunt. And we all have high hopes for conservation. See if we can make up for this lacking duck season we had this year. Let's see what happens.
Big group up there.
Swinging back. Take the 3. Oh. After you, Chad. Snails on the left. The mid-hunt update.
It's been pretty good. Killed quite a few birds. Been really fun.
Short and sweet. Got him.
All right.
Beautiful. Snails on top of them, they're back flipping.
Oh my gosh.
Snails on the back.
There's five up front low.
5 low out front, Chad.
Oh, buddy. What do you think?
How did we
not hit spec?
There's one out there running, flying off.
Oh, here he goes. I got him.
He goes back.
I got him. That one took me too. You still calling it heart foul, Chad?
Yeah, we're gonna back to that.
Heart foul? Okay.
I think I like that better.
I do too. Things are heavy. We got a couple though. Ooh. We're ready, Dawson. We're ready, Dawson. Kill him, Dawson. Well, it's about 9 o'clock now. Birds are starting to slow up a little bit. I think they're getting to fields they're not getting shot at right now. Just got that last single. You know what happened to my partner there? Shooting in the butt, I think, but he knocked him down. But we got a big spread. It must not be big enough for some of the bigger groups, but the ones that are working right, and it's pretty. So hopefully we can kill a few more. It's just now hitting 9 o'clock. We're having a great time. And hopefully it's not the last of it. We're running kind of low on shells. Let's see what happens. Back flipping. Oh, yes, sir. That's a speck.
We're gonna flare them off, probably.
Yeah, it's all good, it's all good.
That's what that biscuit.
Hey, we got all three, that's perfect.
That's good.
Dude, is that not gorgeous?
I thought we were about to shoot that big group.
I was.
I thought you were about to just drop straight
I
off.
was trying to go long. I know we should have, but
Drop that.
it's like, I keep thinking.
It It's okay. It ain't over. They're starting to work, Chad. Let him land. Get him, Willie! My goodness! What happened?
Why? Shoot. He ducks this way. Come on.
I'm ready when you are.
That one.
Well, all right, I think we're gonna wrap it up. We had a pretty good shoot. Dawson killed a few and missed a few. I think he's the only one missed all day. No, I definitely whiffed on a couple. Single I didn't even get close to, but we're gonna wrap it up. We had a good shoot. We're running low on shells, so we're gonna pack it up. It's about 10 o'clock right now, 9:30, 10, but we're gonna let this field rest. And Chad, my good buddy, and he worked for an outfitter for a long time, and I worked with him, but he's going out on his own this year. He's building a lodge, and he's gonna be doing goose hunts. So if you're interested in this kind of hunt, thought it would look fun, you can get in contact with me or Chad, and I'll get you in touch with him. And maybe we'll come out here and we'll do a hunting video together. But Dawson, what do you think?
I thought it was very fun. My first time ever goose hunting. It was cool watching them cupping right there in front of you. Overall, I thought it was really cool.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna wrap it up. Had to get some Bono Mexican. All right, well, we had a pretty good shoot this morning. This is my 5th season hunting with Chad. We started off together actually guiding for another group, and we kind of built a relationship, and we've hunted together ever since. A lot of fun hunts, and this is one of many that we've had together. And we had got out here in the rice field, a little wet, but birds worked really good.
A little wet.
Soupy mess, but it was fun. And Chad is actually starting his own service, guide service, and he's hoping to have that up and running. He's in the process of building a lodge right now, aren't you, Chad?
Yes, sir. Yep, right here in Bono, Arkansas. And if y'all want to come hunt with us, give us a call, 281-513-1799. And hopefully we shoot them up.
And Chad he'll have an Instagram that I'm going to help him post some pictures and stuff on. And you can also get in contact with me, shoot me an email or comment on this video, and I'll get you in touch with Chad. And we're in the process, we're talking about maybe doing a hunt giveaway coming to the channel here pretty soon, and that'll be in future videos. But a lot of season left. This is the opening weekend of conservation, so we've got all the way till April.
That's right.
You want to come kill some, get a hold of Chad, and maybe I'll hunt with you.
Thank you.